My first time coming to this place, which is kind of sad when you think about it, but Bargain Depot, this is supposedly the biggest bin store in San Antonio, and I don't know, they advertise one of the cheapest in the country, so we'll see. I wasn't sure how early to get here. It's like 9:25 a.m. They open up at 10 a.m. and there's no line. You can see it's completely empty. I'm the only vehicle in the parking lot, and I'll keep y'all updated. Let's see how it is inside. Today's price, $2. Little sneak peek inside. You guys, this looks packed with stuff. Look at all those bins. Oh my gosh. Let's see. So I wasn't sure how they would feel about recording in here. This bin store is very active on social media, so I didn't feel like it was a big deal. However, I also didn't want to ask because it was my first time here and I wanted to get footage. So I figured, let me just, see how much I can get, and if they tell me something, they tell me something. So I think next time I might actually ask and let them know that, hey, I might even promote it on Instagram, and I think it will be okay. But I was going through a lot of this stuff. Right here at the beginning, there was just a few of us in the door. There was maybe 6 people behind me in line, but it did get pretty packed pretty quickly after that. So I think this was the very first time I went through an untouched bin. After this, every other bin had been touched by somebody at some point. I always keep my eye out for these backdrops, tapestries, blankets. One, because with Whatnot, they do great as backdrops for myself, but I think they're actually really great sellers as well. This is the kind of stuff that normally I would not want to pick up because I wouldn't want to photograph it and do all the things for listing it on eBay. But with Whatnot, they do seem to be in pretty high demand, and it's very easy, so I can sell something like that to buyers and also to sellers who are also streaming on multiple platforms, because they're pretty expensive if you buy them retail, even for a smaller one or something very thin. But if I find them here for $2 and I can offer them, for $5, $7, $10, then it's kind of like an all-around win-win. So far, you can see there's not a whole lot of, winners. A lot of Christmas and a lot of Halloween, but that's okay because I am stocking up on both of those items for Christmas and Halloween season when these items are going to be more expensive. But a lot of empty boxes as well. So I just kind of keep digging and doing my thing. I always wonder with stuff like this, best wife ever, did the spouse buy it and just decide not to give it to them, or did the wife not like it and decided to send it back? Yeah. I've been wanting to try one of these, so as of now, that's my most exciting find. But I do got a cart full of stuff. I'm just gonna have to look through it here in a minute. What do you think? Did I score big? Pun intended. This is my bag full of stuff. And this place is so freaking packed right now. But I am out of here. Whew, hot mess coming in here. But because I'm getting ready to use these, I wanted to show this group of poly mailers. So I did find a whole bunch of these individual, just loose, and I just kind of kept grabbing all that I found. I don't know how many is there, but I paid $2 for the whole bag, which is really cool because I found those plus a big bag of a bunch of stickers that I got for $2. And I think those are really good, of course, like shipping supplies, and the stickers are great for when people buy like supports from me, or just to throw some like extra stickers in for fun. So just a very nothing that I'm going to resell, but it's great for the business. So I'm going to start using those. Like I said, they're 2 different sizes. There's some that are pretty big, probably like the 12 by 15. And then there's some that I think are like the 10 by 13s. So I'll take that all day. Okay, this is the next day, and I'm shipping, so I have not done the haul yet, but I'm already selling stuff. So this sold for $6 on an auction that I just had, and this is one of the tapestries that I picked up, along with another. So at the, whatever that bargain bin store was, I paid $2 like per kind of lot bundle. It's a little interesting how they charge you. They don't necessarily charge you for each and every single piece, as long as they're kind of grouped together. So I did get 3 of these tapestries for $2 total. So, you know, quick flips. I don't mind flipping $2 into $10 very quickly. I sold this one as well. This one, no, they're both $5. I'm sorry. I think I sold each one of them for $5 because I started them at 5 and I only got 1 bid a piece. So these were 2 of the tapestries that I picked up for, I guess that would make it, what, like 75, 80 cents per tapestry. And then this did sell also. This is brand new. It's Friends Don't Lie. This is Stranger Things. I got this along with a Stranger Things happy birthday banner that I am keeping to put right there on my wall for like my birthday show. So that was $2. So basically $1 for this. That sold for $5 also. Last but not least, I got 6 of these Haws makeup products. This is Lady Gaga's makeup line. I got 6 of these in one bag. So for $2, so basically 50 cents per makeup product, and I think one of these sold for $7. I think this is the lip product, and then these 2 eye products sold for $5 a piece. So definitely worth the trip. Quick recap. Yes, I like that bin store. I think that was a really good spot. I found some great pieces. I found some stuff for Halloween, for my Halloween shows, you know, so it's kind of like I buy it now but hold it for later. But I've already sold some of the items as well. Very quick flips, very nice flips. I spent $66 total. That was a great overall cost of goods for everything that I got. Plus I got stuff for my business. I got stuff for packages, for shipping, for backdrops, and then a couple of things for personal. So I'm going to try it again. We'll try it on maybe the fresh day. I think the fresh day is $6. And then the worst day is $1. I probably won't go for dollar day because it seems like it's going to be pretty trashy. And there's other places that I can go and get dollar finds. But yeah, if y'all like this video, thank you so much. Let me know if you want to see more trips like this at different like bin stores, or me, you know, sourcing shopping. I go to a lot of different places to find items and inventory, and I'm always looking for the best prices and the lowest cost of goods. But give me a thumbs up if you want to leave a comment down below. Follow me if you're not already, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.